Doing a little bit of testing here. It's cold out here. You can, if I take my mask, it's very cold. Anyway, I got a little bit of isopropyl alcohol in this bottle, and I want to clean this surface. This is our standard vinyl, removable adhesive vinyl. It's just an economy grade. It's a great product, but it's very inexpensive, and we go through tons and tons of it. And I just want to get this surface dry here, which is hard to do. 23 degrees below freezing out here. There we go. So I clean that surface. It's a nice thick vinyl. It's easy to apply. I can stick it right to that, and that holds. I mean, it holds well. It grabs. It doesn't fall off. There'll be other vinyls. My hands are all white from the alcohol. I mean, it really actually gets a very strong grab. So let's go try it on a car. Can you pause the video? Back outside, maybe you want to put a bumper sticker or something out here. I'll do a little bit of alcohol. Really destroy that clear coat or anything that's on there. I'm just kidding. This is a pretty standard sign guide thing. Whew, that is dirty. I clean it up well. There we go. Nice clean spot. A lot of vinyl won't do this, and this is not anything special. This is what we sell all day long. But that grabs and holds. Now this is removable. It'll be clean removal, or it'll have clean removal for months. Maybe 6 or 12 months. That'll come off nice and clean, but that holds strong. So if you have some cold weather application that you need, you might consider our standard removable vinyl. Coming back about an hour later just to see how it's doing, and it's actually holding up pretty well. No bubbles, no edge peeling or anything. It's still about somewhere between 10 and 15 degrees outside. So kind of the heat of the day right now on this cold winter day. Go look at the glass. Here's the one that we put on the glass, and where Gene peeled it up, it's a little bubble, but I think that's just because he warped the vinyl. But like in the middle here, there's no bubbles that have formed or anything like that. We'll leave them on here for a little while longer and see how much they change. But they shouldn't change too much. Not if it's already sealed down like that.